So, hello everyone. Let's look. Today we are here to discuss the topic. So many topics of biology are there. So, here we are talking about some topics and we discuss it. So, today's our topic is what is the meaning of structural organization? What is our topic? Our topic is what is the meaning of structural organization? If we look at the syllabus of need subject like zoology, there is one topic is structural organization. So we have to understand that what is the meaning of this term structural organization. Look, in the world structural organization, if we break it down, so one word is structural. If we see the word structure, what do you understand by the meaning of structure? We can say that structure refers to the arrangement of parts within a living thing. It means in any living thing, in any living body, the arrangement of parts is known as structure. How? Like I have a best example. Like if we're talking about skeleton, like हमारे शरीर का जो ढांचा है, कंकाल तंत्र, skeleton system. So skeleton system whole skeleton has its structure. उसका एक structure, okay? So it is an arrangement of part. You can see that starting में head is located here, hands are there, shoulders, backbone, and the legs part. So skeleton is a part of our body. But we can see if we can see the structure of a skeleton, so we can understand that it is an arrangement of parts. So many parts are there in skeleton, like head is also there, hands is also there, and legs are also there. Okay? So what we are learning here, we are learning that what is the structure. I am giving you one example that if we have to understand the meaning of structure, so we can say the skeleton, yani ki kankal tantra. There are so many parts which arranged in a manner the way it structure forms. Okay. So many examples are there, like how bones form our skeleton. It is a type of structure. Number second, how muscles attach to those bones to allow movement. यानी कि our bones made a skeleton, but when muscles join the bone, it helps us to move. How organs are positions within our body to work efficiently. So here we are understanding what is the structure. If we see a flower, okay, right now flower is coming in my mind. The next example I'm having. If we have a flower in our hand and we have to define what is the structure of this flower, so we can say that in this flower so many, I mean, petals are there, leaf are there. Okay? This type of we are telling the parts. So arrangement of the parts form the structure of anything. Arrangement of the part form the structure of anything. Means how everything is placed, उसकी क्या जगह है, and connected, and how they are connected to each other to allow us to function. यानी कि उनका place क्या है, कैसे वो connected है और कैसे वो function कर रहे हैं, यही है हमारा structure. How different component of living things are positioned and connected. Simple. And this arrangement is necessary for their function. I hope that you can understand what is the meaning of structure. If we want to understand what is a structure, we have to give importance or notice few things. Very first thing is arrangement of parts. Very first thing is arrangement of parts, how their parts are arranged. Number second, how we can say how they positioned, how they placed. Number second, how they placed. Oh, number second, how they connect to each other. And number third, how they are functioning. These are the three things. In human body, Huge and huge examples are there. This is we understand what is the structure. Now the second thing is organization. If we are not talking about biology, if we are not talking about the human body, what do you understand by organization? So look, like you have to tell me a company organization. How could you tell me? How can you tell me? Simply, you can say organization is a mixture or group of so many people are there. They have their specific work and they are performing their function, but together they are completing a goal or achieving a goal and for their functioning. I mean, if we are seeing the organization, in organization, so many people are there, their functions are divided, their work are divided, they are doing their specific work. But the whole organization has the one goal, one aim, that is the functioning of the body, let's suppose, and they work together. Specifically, they are also working, but if they work together, it fulfill the big aim, what they want to do. Same thing happening in our body. If we see the organization of our body, so many parts are there. Each and every part are doing their work. Each and every part are doing their work. Eyes are doing their work. Mouth is doing their work. Hands are doing their work. Each and every part are doing their work. But why these all working is happening? Because of functioning of our body. And these all these things are closely related to each other. They are coordinating with each other. Look, if you are traveling, if you have gone a place, I mean, you are on a beach. Now your eyes are seeing the view. Okay, you are feeling that view. Your mentally, yani ki your brain is thinking about the view, like how sun, light, and the sea, whatever. Your whole body is functioning like in that way. Your eyes are seeing you. If you are talking about wow, how beautiful is the sun, whatever it is, that all your body parts are working together to performing their function. Okay, let's more break it down. How those structures work together in coordinated way is known as organization. Example, now we are talking about structure, and I also define you that what is structure. Again, I define you arrangement of body parts, how they work together, how they are connected, and how they work together. These three things keep in your mind. And now they all are work together in a coordinated way. Same thing repeating, like heart. Example, heart, blood vessels, and blood work together in a circulatory system. Now you can understand what is the organization. Now we have to combine the structural and the organization into both. One more thing, one more time, I want to explain you that how the different parts of our body are arranged and work together in a coordinated way to perform a specific function. This is the most suitable definition. How the different parts of our body are arranged. Heart is here, lungs is here, kidney, whatever. Work together. They are working together. Like heart, if heart is taking oxygen, so circulatory system like blood is also taking that oxygen from lungs, so they are working together in a coordinated way. Yes, there is also coordinate to perform a specific function is our lungs is taking oxygen from the atmosphere and the blood is transferring it all the parts of body. Now one more thing, you have a confusion that is the structure and the function is related with each other, and is the structure and organization is also related with each other. Now I have to tell you that if we are talking about the structure and function, it is answering me why nerve cells are long and thin, because they have to transmit the information. This is the answer of why. Now, the if we are saying that structural organization, now the question is how they are doing this work. This is the answer you will get in structural organization. Now let's think about little bit of structure and function. The way something built is what it can do. Like lungs are how they built. They are spongy, they are elastic tissue. So what it can do? It can exchange our gases O2 and CO2. Now you can see the teeth. How they can build? They are sharp, they are flat shaped. And what is the function? They are help to cut and help in digestion. They are helping for digestion. This is the answer of why. Why teeth are like that? Because they have to perform that function. Now here in a structural organization, we will get the answer how. How everything is organized from the smallest part to the whole thing. I mean the in the complex form. Example is cell form tissue. Which type of tissue? Suppose muscle tissue. It form organ. Which type of organ? Like heart organ. And the organ system. Now, which type of organ system heart develop? Circulatory system. From the simplest to the complex. This is known as organization. And this organization is depend on the structure. That's why it is known as structural organization. Okay. That's the structural organization of human body. How living things are built and how those parts work together. It's about arrangement, coordination that keeps everything functioning. Now, if we are talking about arrangement here, it is the meaning of the structure. If we are saying coordination, it means organization. And in the last, they are functioning together. So this is the whole meaning of the structural organization. Best example is for a best example, like if anybody is asking you what is structural organization, you have to answer them that from the simplest thing to the complex thing. Yani ki the arrangement and the coordination between them for they are working together for their functioning. Best example is cell form tissue like muscles tissue form heart like organ, and it form organ system like circulatory system. This is the best example. You have defined well what is the meaning of now you understand what is the meaning of structural means how the arrangement of the parts they are positioned placed and working together. Organization means they all are working together for a specific goal or for a specific function. Got it? What is a structural organization? Means the arrange different parts of our body are arranged and they are work together in a coordinated way to perform a specific function. That's all.